corned beef, egg, shakshuka. Well, it's corned beef and egg for breakfast, but cooked in the way like a shakshuka, or like how we cook shakshuka. It is so good. Yep, it's good with bread, even garlic rice. But here, I'm using a pita bread because I have a few of them. So hey, this is gonna be really good. Look at those egg yolks. Oh yes, so good. Let me scoop some corned beef here. We added some chili. It is really excellent and wholeheartedly good breakfast. You guys gotta try this. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. We try this. Gotta try it. We're gonna try it now. All right. Yep. Yeah. This is so good. This is a must try. So now let's start. Recipe will be in the description below. We got a potato, two small onions, two-piece chili, some garlic, two eggs, and a canned corned beef. All right. Of course, some black pepper there for seasoning and salt. Yep. We gotta cut this good and get it all ready. Yes, and of course, on the end screen we'll have the original shakshuka video that we did for the genuine shakshuka, and on the description below. So here, let's get some oil first before we turn on the pan or the stove. Right? Flip it open now. Get this good and hot. Yes, well, we made a minute or a few minutes. Now it's getting hot. Yep. Now here, some onions first. Yes, we don't overcook this. We just, mix it, make sure everything is oiled and good. And you toss it around so it's gonna cook evenly and slowly. Yes, and now the cloves of garlic. What I did was I pressed it with a knife so it's semi-crushed, and I'm just gonna cut it with a scissor here because this lets me cut it thinly or slim. This way it's gonna saute really good. All right, see, it's that easy. More here, another clove of garlic. So that's two small onions sliced up, and three cloves of garlic, crushed or sliced like this. Yes. Okay. Now let's mix it. Make sure the stove is medium to hot. This way it's gonna saute really good. Oh, I'm loving the smell of sauteed garlic and onions. That's just perfect. Yes, we keep mixing it. All right. Just for a few minutes, and then we cut the two-piece red chili. We put it now early, so it's gonna get a little bit spicy. It's not gonna be too spicy, but if you guys want it a little bit more spicy, you can add more chili if you want. So this is good. As soon as the onion starts to become a bit translucent, that's when you know it's already good. Yes, so we let it sit there for a minute. We let it cook a bit more and let it simmer. Now we put in the potatoes. I like to put this early. This way it's gonna get semi-fried on the outside and cook better, so it gives that good texture but maintains a good crunch. All right, so make sure it's getting cooked good. Mix it well, get it all oiled up. Yes, and we let it sit for another minute here like this. Not longer, because we don't want the onions and all the garlic overcooked. So now here, we put the can of corned beef. We put all of it. We like to rinse the can with a bit of water, like maybe 2 or 3 spoons worth of water to rinse it off, to get all the, residue and meat all together in the pan. It's gonna be so good. After I mix this, it's now smelling even better. And most of the time, this is how everyone cooks corned beef for breakfast, right? But you can do it this way, like a shakshuka. It's gonna be even better. It's easy. Here we are now. We added the water, some salt. Okay, this is about 2 or 3 spoons of water. Then here, some crushed black pepper. You can add all the other seasoning if you want, like oregano or parsley. That's all good, yes. But we like to keep this simple. Now we let this simmer for a bit more like this to make sure everything is cooked together nicely to get that good taste going. And of course, so the chili can get some of the spiciness of itself onto the sauce or onto the corned beef. Here it is. Now time for the eggs. Okay, we'll break this now. Just we fry it just like a side up, but it's corned beef side up or something like that. Here you go. Now you cook this for 2 minutes if you want the yolk a bit gooey like I do. But if you want it even more cooked or cooked well, you can go for 3 minutes or 4 minutes. That's fine. But 2 minutes gives the egg yolk time to stay gooey and good. Here you go. So now we cover it for a moment, for a minute, and then we start getting the other stuff. Like here, a minute later, put some crushed black pepper on the egg yolk. I like to do that because it gives that good taste all together with the yolk. Yep. And cover it again for the one final minute. Yep. And now it's here. Then the second minute's all done. Turn it off. Ooh, look at that. Corned beef and egg shakshuka. That's so good. Let me unclip the phone. Let me show you guys. Oh, would you look at that? This is really awesome with like garlic rice, or in our country, sinangag. This is like perfect breakfast. The one way of cooking corned beef, and it's gonna be so good, right? Look at that. Oh yeah. Yep, this is delicious. So good with bread or even garlic rice. Let's look at it close. Yes. Or with toasted bread, it is good. Or even pandesal is really perfect. Let me get some. Can't wait to taste this. Get some egg yolk there. Yep. Now we're using pita bread because I have a few of them, and it's always fun to eat it like this. Yep. Oh yeah. And you can click here for the shakshuka video we did. Yeah. Okay, let me try this. Oh, this is really good. My favorite. Oh yeah, so good. You guys gotta try this, okay? And thanks for watching, and subscribe for the other good stuff here. Alright, see ya.